Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Welcome to our online learning initiative, and I welcome you all for the biology class. In last class, we saw about the different types of disorder. One will be the chromosomal disorder, another one, the genetical disorder. The chromosomal disorder, like based upon the number or the structure of the chromosome. Here, what we are going to see is about the ploidies. First, we'll start with aneuploidy. I'll show you a normal set of chromosome as well as the abnormal set of chromosome. Just have a look. Here is a normal set of chromosome which is 46 in number. But here if you see the number is quite high or low and it is not equal to 46. So this is a normal diploid condition 2n. Total number 46 chromosome, and this nature you call it as euploidy. U is nothing but true. Whereas here there is a abnormal case, like either one chromosome will be missing or there is an extra one chromosome. Actually, if you take this particular set, it is a body chromosome. Okay, body chromosomes. How many? 22 pairs of body chromosomes. And this one pair will indicate the sex chromosomes, okay, which will indicate the gender, either it is a male or female. Here in this condition, it is monosomy. Why there is a term called mono? Mono is nothing but single. One chromosome is less comparatively with the normal set of the chromosome 46. So one is missing and the total number will be 45. You can see very much here. It is 2n minus 1 condition. Whereas here in trisomy 3, extra one chromosome will be added in any one pair of the chromosome and the number is plus 1. So the condition is 2n plus 1, which is 47 instead of 46. Okay, and here instead of 46 it is 45, less than 1, right? So this condition is called monosomy and the other condition is called trisomy. Monosomy in detail, we'll see what is it and where will be the effect, what it leads into. This is a karyogram. Okay, this is a karyogram setup where the chromosome number 1 to the chromosome 23rd pair. This is the 23rd pair. Okay, in the 23rd pair, what happened? One is missing. Okay, it seems like missing here, and loss of second X chromosome, which is nothing but XO type. That O is nothing but absent, nil. In that place, one chromosome is missing. It can be Y chromosome or X chromosome, but both are not there. It's missing. So this type is called XO type, and the condition is nothing but 2n minus 1 condition. And technically we call it as monosomy. And the syndrome is Turner syndrome. This we are going to see detail later in this class. The next is trisomy. Tri, the name says 3. So let us see the karyogram where the 3 lies. Here the 3 lies. In which pair it is? In the 21st pair of chromosome. Extra one chromosome. Again, it is a body chromosome. When it comes here only, it is a sex chromosome. Okay, till 22, it is a body chromosome. So the defect in the body chromosome are autosomes. Okay, this is trisomy condition. We can write the condition as 2n plus 1. Then the next condition is tetrasomy. Tetra, the name says 4. So 2n plus 2 condition it is. So let us see the karyogram. The karyogram, in the 8th position, there are 2 extra chromosomes. And this condition is called 2n plus 2 or trisomy. Okay, and again, this is a body chromosome. Next, Totally we saw about the trisomy, monosomy, tetrasomy. When there is an addition of one chromosome, okay, or addition of two chromosome, either +1 or +2 condition, or -1 or -2 condition. I'll tell you one thing, please make a note. 2n minus 2, it is nothing but nullisomy. +1 is trisomy, +2 tetrasomy, -1 monosomy, -2 nullisomy. Okay, it is very important for 1 mark question, and actually it is a competitive exam based questions. So please make a note, children. We'll move to polyploidy now. The name poly says many. So it is not +1 or +2 condition. It is totally a set. If this is the chromosome always in a homologous pair. Yeah. When there is a defect, okay, when there is a condition like extra one chromosome, we call it as monosomy or trisomy. This is tris because 3 in number. Okay. Or sometimes what happen, only one will be there instead of homologous pair. This condition is 2n minus 1 condition. This condition 2n plus 1 condition. But in polyploidy, what happened? If this is the normal set of chromosome, there will be addition of like a pair, 1 pair, 2 pair, 3 pair, like that. It keeps on moving. So this condition is called polyploidy. This is monoploidy or diploidy or triploidy or tetraploidy. So we'll see the condition here. You can see triploidy and tetraploidy. So how many? 3 extra pairs will be added in the normal set of the chromosome. Here 4 extra pairs will be added in the normal set of chromosome. So the condition is 3n instead of 2n. And here the condition is 4n instead of 2n. Okay, so let us read this one. Many organisms have more than 2 sets of homologous chromosome and are called polyploidy. Okay. Next, we'll see an example for polyploidy. I'll show you 2 types of strawberry. Okay, you can see which strawberry looks bigger, whether the wild variety or the polyploid condition. Here, this is a wild variety or normal variety, and this is a culture, a type of polyploid condition. Okay. Let us move into the next topic, like genetic disorder. The genetic disorder, we are going to classify into 2 types. Number 1, Mendelian disorder. Number 2, chromosomal disorder. In Mendelian disorder, it is totally genetic oriented, a gene, the defect in the gene, that is called as Mendelian disorder. Whereas here, chromosomal disorder, the defect is seen in the number of chromosome or the structure of the chromosome. Here mostly we'll deal with the number of chromosomes. So this is one example. Later we are going to see, which is nothing but sickle cell anemia. And here in chromosomal disorder, you can see some syndrome. The boy is not normal. He's having some syndrome, okay? Like Down syndrome. We are going to see that. So first, chromosomal disorder, it is nothing but due to excess or absence of chromosome. Okay, it's an abnormal arrangement of the chromosome, otherwise called as anomalies, chromosomal anomalies. Sometimes the chromatids fail to segregate during the cell division. Just have a recap. What are the 2 types of cell division? It's nothing but mitosis and meiosis. Okay, resulting in gain or loss of a chromosome. Because of this only, that is the error. There is an error and abnormalities in the chromosome number. And that condition we call it as aneuploidy. The number will be 47, or it may be 45, or it may be 48. Like this, there is an error in the chromosomal number. So number 1, we are going to talk about Down syndrome. then Klinefelter syndrome, and Turner syndrome. First, let us see about Down syndrome. You can see a karyogram here. Okay, in this karyogram, where there is a defect. Two things you have encircled, no? Whether there is a defect in both the case? No. The defect is seen in this place, exactly in 21st pair of the chromosome. Here, instead of 2, it is 3. So you can write the condition trisomy. Okay, and it is a 2X chromosome. Okay, so it's a normal, what it is? Female, right? So Down syndrome, here the defect is seen in the 21st pair of chromosome, which is trisomy condition. 1 mark question will be arised from this. What are the symptoms? These are the 2 marks type question. Okay, your academic oriented question. This trisomy and the condition, like whether it is 2n plus 1 or 2n minus 1, these are all your competitive exam based question, whereas symptoms are all your academic based question. Sometimes in our academic also 1 mark type question they may ask. Okay, so the tricky questions are expected from this part, like the condition 2n plus 1 or trisomy. Okay, and your short answer type questions from symptoms part. So we'll see the symptoms. The person looks short with a round hair and partially opened mouth with a broad palm and slow mental development. Leads into mental retardation also. Next, the karyogram. Look at the karyogram and figure out what type of disorder it is. Everything is normal. The body chromosomes are normal. Yeah, here there is the defect in the sex chromosome. That is extra X chromosome. The condition is XXY condition. Normal, either they have to be XX or XY. But here it is XXY condition. So this syndrome is called as Klinefelter syndrome. It caused presence of an additional copy of X chromosome, and the karyotype you can see 45 plus XXY. He is a male, will be transformed into a female. Mostly he'll be having the feminine behavior. So this type of gender you call it as transgender. We'll see the symptoms. Sex of the individual is masculine but possesses feminine characters. Gynecomastia, breast development, poor beard growth, and often sterile. And remember one thing, all these 3 syndromes, what we are seeing now, and mostly this chromosomal abnormalities, they are sterile. They cannot reproduce. So have this in mind. And feminine pitched voice. Okay, we'll move to the third syndrome, third defect. Just have a look. It's a Turner syndrome. In the beginning, I showed you the condition. Something was missing there in the karyogram. Just recap and see. It's nothing but one of the sex chromosome is missing. So here, it is XO type, absent. Okay, something is absent here. So what is absent? One X chromosome or Y chromosome is missing. And this individual will be a female type. And the condition is XO type. Absence of one X chromosome resulting in the karyotype 45 plus XO. Symptoms. The person will be sterile. I told you already, the person will be female. Rudimentary ovary, so they cannot fertilize. Shield-shaped thorax, broader thorax, webbed neck, and poor development of breast. The person looks short with small uterus and totally they are sterile. In next class, we'll talk about the Mendelian disorder with pedigree chart. Thank you.